何回旅しにもやる。
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Oh my god, dude, it's been a while and we have our own shop, so there's a lot to explain, but I think I'll make another video for that. We're just gonna be working on the 240 today. We found out that the water pump is bad. It started leaking. I put about 11 psi on it, on the tester, and yeah, she is like squirting out right now. That puddle wasn't here when I got here. I called O'Reilly's because I like O'Reilly's the most, and O'Reilly's actually got me the water pump kit. So today we will be taking off all the accessories, the radiator. I will be taking off this bash bar also because we have a couple of things to do with this 240. We are upgrading the cooling system. Let me show you guys. We bought some SPA fans. We have 2 SPA fans. We have one already mounted to the radiator. Just say one SPA fan kept her around 194 degrees. She would shoot up with that little fan in the front to about 217, and that was super bad. I could not drive the car at all. It was hell getting this car here to the shop. Like, it was horrible. The ride was terrible. We had to get towed. And also, we have Jose's S13 in here. He and Heaven are a part of this shop. But the cool thing is that I get to what is it called? I get to have a shop with like my best friends, and that's like one of my goals, is to have a shop. Like, don't get me wrong, it's not the biggest shop in the world, but it is something that I can be proud of, because I actually did this all by myself and stuff. And it makes me feel good because now I have a place of my own to work on my own car. So let's get in today's video and start tearing her apart and see how complicated this water pump is. I got my adapter that goes onto the stand, so this is going to be really hard, me filming as I take everything off, so be patient with me, guys. From the looks of it, I'm assuming that we're gonna take off all the accessories and because the water pump is actually in there. So this is gonna be fun. I recommend you guys to take pictures and note down where all your bolts go and stuff, because it makes it so much easier on you, because you can forget stuff. This isn't a how-to video, so guys, I'm just gonna start taking off all this stuff real quick, but if I come to any problems, I'll let you guys know. So we got all of this stuff off right now with the belt. Now what we're gonna start doing is taking off the fan assembly, which is right here, and then the tensioner, and then we'll go to the distributors after that. When you're doing something like this, be very careful. I just cut open my arm. Like, dude, that thing is pretty deep. Like, I can literally open it and you can see the inside. Just be careful what you're doing. I like nicked myself. So this notch is supposed to be at 0, and then there's supposed to be lines that match up. There's a yellow line that'll match up with that line, and then see, like that one right there is supposed to match up with that. Day number 2 of fucking working on the 1uz, trying to get the water pump off. Yesterday we had some complications of trying to take the crank off, but I got it off. There's the crank, and the train is loud as fuck. So now what we gotta do is take this cover off, and then I think after that we can unbolt the tensioner, and then the belt should come off. after making a shitload of mess, we finally got the water pump off. Check this out. Water everywhere. So water pump is off. Time to install the new one with all the new shit. This is gonna be fun. Timing I have at top dead center, and then I have the cams somewhat lined up. I know these can run half a tooth or a tooth off perfectly fine. So I still want to try to get them lined up as best as possible so I don't have to have any issues with anything. And now we're gonna put the new one on. The gasket's on, everything's ready. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. It's fucking hard. We're gonna turn on the 240 and see if it blows up. Well, there she blows. So we got the 240 running, so stay tuned for some more TikToks. See ya. Everything's back in. The car is running fine. We are only at 188 degrees in temperature. So it seems like the water pump is working perfectly for the 1uz. So yeah. Sorry I didn't get to show me putting it in, but right now it's running really, really good. I'm still getting like one code, which is a fuel economy cutoff. I don't know what that is. If you guys know, drop a comment down in the description. Drop a comment down below so if you guys know anything about it. But yeah, timing's good. It's running really, really good. I think the only issue I have is probably something's like moving or making a noise and I can't figure it out. So we'll probably be taking everything back out, and we'll probably be doing that when we get the bigger radiator. And Jose's over there working on his tackle box. So guys, y'all just saw the 1uz running really, really good. Like I said in the video, it was running about 198, almost 200, I want to say. We took it for a drive a couple of days ago, and it's running like super, super good. And once we get the new radiator in, we'll be able to put the other fans on, and hopefully it'll run even better. I just want to overkill the cooling system and stuff like that, just so my car can be a little more reliable. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, drop comments down below, let us know. If you like the video, give us a like, it'll help the channel a lot, help us grow and stuff like that. Also, don't forget, go check out our little business, like we sell stickers, jet tags, hopefully shirts soon. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next vlog coming out soon. Actually, after this one, I'm done editing. Then we have another one explaining the garage and stuff like that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys on the next vlog.